So yun, medyo late na to, no? Pero wag niyong kalimutan kunin free bus card. So this one, just click the bus card, and requirements lang to is attendance, then complete attendance. So you will get an 7 days bus card. Alright, so let's see dun sa character natin, no? And lalabas yun sa email. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa character. Isa to sa character ko, Archer. Okay, so andito na yung bus card. Then just claim. Now if you are newbie or bago ka, then all you need to do to use the bus card is just go to the terminal in every map. So ayan, medyo malag kasi ang daming tao guys, tsaka yung ano ko dito kasi phone na gamit is hindi naman ito yung good for ano, pang malakasan or pang maraming players, no? So ayan, makikita mo yung terminal na yan, no? Bawat mapa merong terminal where you can use the bus card. Now kapag ganito may harang, merong EPAR, gilid-gilid ka lang. Yan, just click the button beside the walk or run, then click bus. Then just click wherever you want to go. For example, trading hall. Wait lang. Mali. Okay. I'm going to trading hall kasi magpapa-level tayo. Okay, then port passage. Alright. So just click confirm, then it will bring you there. So ito yung sample, no? So it's just easy. Okay, bug pa yung likod ng character ko. So yan. And yan guys, no? Na like, ayan, bus stop where you can go or you know, mapunta kung saan-saan. So if you are new and you are thinking ito lang ba yung way para makuha yung bus card, so the other way is just go to runmobile.com, then just go to donation mall, then makikita mo dun yung bus card 7 days. So pwede mo yun mabili in just a small amount using your donation points. Okay, so yun, magkakaroon ka na ng bus card. So yun lang guys, I hope you get your bus card. Kung wala pa, then don't forget to get this card. Okay, so yun lang, bye bye.